how to stop try again later glitch on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the try again later glitch on Instagram quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with step 1, that is to wait for a few hours. So sometimes this error happens when Instagram thinks you're doing too many actions like following, liking, or commenting. So the first thing you should do is stop using Instagram for a few hours or up to 24 hours. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check your internet connection. So always make sure that your internet connection is stable. Or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and with that you can just reopen the app. And here with this, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Instagram cache. So here, just in case if you're using the Android, what you can do is simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Instagram app settings page. Now here in this section you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And here, once you're done with it, you can just open the Instagram app again. And with this, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the app. So here, if you're still facing that problem, then what you can do is you can simply go to the Google Play Store, and now here you can simply search for the Instagram app. And here, if you find any update button, then you can just tap on update to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to log out and log back in again. So here, what you can do is open the Instagram app, and now here, once you're inside it, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the 3 dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can just tap on logout. And here from the pop-up menu, confirm your action by tapping on logout again. And here, once you are logged out of your account, you can simply log back in to your account again. And with this, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the app. So here, if the problem still continues, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram from your phone, and after that you can simply restart your device and install the Instagram app again from the Play Store. And that's it. That's how you can fix try again later error on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.